Good afternoon, everybody. It's the 11th of June, 2025. It's Alex. I'm back in Miami in a really poorly lit parking garage. Lamborghini Urus. Once again, we are luxury vehicle odor removal specialists. And once again, it is marijuana. We're going to go ahead and service this Lambo two different ways. We're going to use our molecular first step chemical to service. I know it's dark. The headliner, all the hard plastics, the hatchback area, the seats, and then we're going to use our second step process to service. Hopefully you can see that, the air-cooled seats, which I'll put it on full blast. There we go. And then the air conditioning system. They've already taken out the air filter, and we'll bring this Lamborghini back down to neutral. All right, we are once again luxury vehicle odor removal specialists. And we look forward to earning your business as well. Give us a call.